Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. I'm going to talk about online video editing tool, Media.io. This powerful tool is not just a video editor. It's a complete suite of tools that can handle all your media needs. Whether you want to create stalling videos, generate AI-based content, or enhance your images, Media.io has got you covered. The link is available in the video description. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Once you log into Media.io, you will see different tools like long video to short video, AI headshot generator, AI music generator, video enhancer, image enhancer, watermark remover, video background remover, and many more. Let's start by editing a video. Click on New Project. Select your preferred aspect ratio and click on Start. Then upload your video file. Video editing software with a powerful AI upgrade. It lets you capture your screen smoothly and edit video. You can easily trim any unwanted part of your video. Simply drag the handles on the timeline to select the portion you want to keep and click on Dream. Now let's check out the template feature. Media.io offers a variety of pre-designed templates to make your videos look professional. Just select a template that suits your theme, and it will be applied to your video instantly. Now, let's add subtitles. Go to the Subtitles tab. Choose the source language, select your video, and click on Generate Media. I will automatically create subtitles for your video, which you can then customize in terms of text font and position. You can even translate these subtitles into different languages with just a few clicks. It lets you capture your screen smoothly and edit videos with features like AI object removal, voice change. Let's move on to the next step here. You can add titles and other text element to your videos. Choose from a variety of styles and customize the text to put your video's theme in the audio tab. We have library of different music. You can use it into your videos. Music, you can control the volume of background music and apply fade in and fade out effects. This is great for making your audio transitions smooth and professional. Next, let's talk about transitions. Go to the Transitions tab, and you can choose from a variety of transitions effect to add between your video clips. Just drag and drop the transition you like onto the timeline. And don't forget the Stickers tab here. You can add fun stickers to your video to make it more engaging. Creator is, and in the Effect tab, you can apply different visual effects to enhance your video. You can experiment with different styles to find what works best for you. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export your videos. Click on Export. Choose your desired resolution and format, and your video will be ready to download and share. Now let's explore the long video to short video tool. This feature is perfect for creating short, engaging clips from longer videos. ARS for platform like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube SHS. Just upload your video and Media.io will automatically generate short clips. You can then choose the best part and compile them into a short video. You can then choose the best part and download it. And there you have it, media. IO is a comprehensive tool that makes video editing and media creation a breeze with its wide range of features and user-friendly interface. You can create professional quality content in no time. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get started for free. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content, and see you in the next video.